Hi diddly ho, here we go. Now this is an update on this car. I've since finished the wheel arch. Rear quarter, inner and outer, and the wheel arch. Welded up the holes in the pillar. And now I'm tackling the boot channels and this boot corner. This is actually a very good piece, this piece. But I was like, oh, I'll just hack this out and then I'll trim it down. And I realised, yeah, good idea. What happens to this piece when you cut that out? Because it's fairly crucial, this height remains the same. So, I always have some square tube lying around. I'm going to tack this in here, like I do with a lot of stuff when I'm bracing stuff. Tack it in there so that height doesn't change. So that when I weld that in, I know the top of that's still the same. This car is now down on the ground for the final time. Well, I'll probably tweak it a bit, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. I would be happy with that if I paid someone to do it. Amazing what a little bit of filler does, but not a lot's going to be needed. Yes, that's just a small update on this car. It's not even going to be a long video, but it's short, it's sweet, and I'll keep you updated. Keep watching.